Thank you very much, Rachana, Vice President of Indian Bar Association, for kind words. All the panelists as well as participants from different jurisdictions, including Vice President, Secretary General, Treasurer of Nepal Bar Association, as well as President of High Court, Patan Bar Association, which is one of the largest bar associations of Nepal. My topic with this regard is known to you all: AI, legal practice, education and litigation, preparing for the AI lawyer era. With this regard, I am trying to incorporate introduction to Nepalese legal practice and education, existing digital tools for legal profession and education, status of AI policy in Nepal, the use of AI in legal practice in Nepal and its effectiveness, use of AI in legal education in Nepal and its effectiveness, cost and consequences of using AI in legal practice and education as seen from Nepalese practice, and finally ethical and other concerns about the use of AI in legal profession. So far as Nepalese legal profession is concerned, it formally came into existence since 1956. Currently, the profession can be divided in professionals are divided into advocate and senior advocate, but residues of junior advocates called pleader and agent are also in being. Over 22,500 lawyers are licensed, and out of them approximately 750 persons are awarded senior advocate title, of which some are active and some are not. Around 8,000 practicing lawyers, even fewer regular practicing lawyers. Various universities are there to offer law course, including Tribhuvan University, Purvanchal University, Kathmandu University, Rajarshi Janak University, Pokhara University, Gandaki University, Lumbini Buddhist University, Far Western University and other universities are offering BA, LLB, LLB, LLM, PhD and other streams of legal education. Now, globally tools such as LexisNexis, Westlaw have been used as digital tools for lawyers and law students even before the surge of AI. But these tools have also made use of AI lately. The tools have been limited use in Nepal. Instead, Nepal traditionally restored to non-AI based resource repository, Nepal Law Commission for Laws and Rules, and Nepal Kanun Patrika and Supreme Court Bulletin for Precedents and Ratio Decidendi. With the source of AI, ChatGPT and DeepSeek have been partly useful for lawyers and students, but with limitations because of lack of language friendliness, not knowing the socio-legal context of Nepal. However, lately the unveiling of AI platform named Kanun Portal is being launched, which is expected to address the deficiencies of traditional research tools by incorporation generative AI tools for laws, precedents and general legal questions. In relation to recent status of Nepal, on 18 August 2025, the government of Nepal has introduced National AI Policy. It has mission including increment of GDP by 1% at least. Not only this, increase in the ranking of AI readiness index to with 50 position, establishment of at least 5,000 human resources in AI area. In addition, establishment of AI excellence centers, AI literacy since primary education, institutional and legal reform of AI, promotion of use of AI in education, agriculture, tourism, energy, health, establish AI Regulation Council under the chairmanship of Minister of Communication and IT, addressing AI risk management. These are policies we have adopted, and the policies I have just seen 11th day today, and how will it be implemented, it depends upon future course. In relation to particularization of AI utilization in across Nepalese lawyers, most lawyers of Nepal are not tech friendly, hence it has resulted in few lawyers using AI in regular usage and practice. Whether AI is helpful for creativity or whether it is destroying creativity or making person lazy is also under our consideration. But we are crystal clear that AI cannot replace humanity. AI has no human brain. Justice is delivered based on sensitivity, requirement, and circumstance of the people. Justice is religion. Justice is godly act. AI cannot replace that godly act. It is just auxiliary material. That is our understanding. And we are to be very much careful that it should not destroy or divert otherwise our sensitivity. We are always considering for the same. And we like to use our brain, hand, finger to write, to note, and to go ahead. But we have no other option than accepting it gradually. Earlier, people were walking, then they discovered motor car. After motor car was discovered, aeroplane system was also in being. People went in that path. Earlier, post office was only one method. Now, post office is partially serving the people. Email and other digital dimensions are being integral part of our life. We should also welcome AI following this same method. It is dynamic process, development process that we know well. But if we fully rely on digital devices, what would be future generation and our activity? We must think it properly. We are considering the same thing in adopting AI policy in real practice, so that what is its negative impact, we must pay attention. And use of AI has been largely limited to young lawyers due to being tech friendly. They are tech friendly, they dedicate their most of time in technology as well as devices. As a result, they are getting it as good opportunity. Also another issue, limited Nepalese legal data including laws, precedents, rules are available in English in updated version. Only few laws and rules are available. However, youth lawyers do make use of platforms like ChatGPT and DeepSeek for general legal opinions and mostly foreign practices and precedents. This has been especially useful in human rights laws. Previously, we used to turn the pages of law journals. We were to seek one precedent, but we were to roaming around other interesting precedent. Other interesting precedent, and our whole day, whole hours were dedicated for searching new thing. One thing was searched, other things were found out, and it was also to increase our strength. Now that kind of tradition is going down because of AI. We particularize, we point out something, and that something is found out. We do not see other things. That is not being friendly for the healthy growth of our knowledge and mind. Anyway, this is unavoidable reality. Nevertheless, there has been marked attempt to create a full-fledged AI-based site for Nepalese lawyers named Kanun Portal to be launched next month, which could change the landscape of AI in legal market. Use of AI could also be explored in judgment writing. The problems with generic ge- generic platforms like ChatGPT are hallucinations, wrong precedents, non-legal opinions, non-Nepali friendly, hence their use must be seen cautiously. With around 10,000 to 12,000 students studying law at all levels in Nepal, the use of AI is prevalent. AI has been of the use especially among urban BA, LLB and LLM students from assignment writing to research to thesis and seminar writing. This has resulted in academic output being updated and more insightful compared to with AI. Incorporation of foreign practices has been increased. However, the use of AI platforms has been dismal in LLB and in areas outside of Kathmandu Valley. LLB is the degree offered to law graduates of other streams after they study law for 3 years. That is LLB degree. The students in LLB are not found out using AI. Now, lawyers may rely on precedents given by ChatGPT, which may be fake. Although such cases have not happened in Nepal, we have to be cautious about it. Like students are writing fake jurist opinion in their answer sheet. Sometime, okay, they may say, okay, teacher has not properly checked, I got passed, okay, even though particular person was not jurist, I presented him as jurist and I secured. Same thing is happening with this regard also. Use of AI may decrease the need to read multiple books and treatises for drafting and writing, but its depth can be questioned of, especially in the light of Nepalese socio-cultural context. Similarly, in academia, students' efforts have decreased to a large degree. This is important one. Students are not making efforts. If they are suggested to present term paper, they prepare term paper within short span of time. Okay, and we may feel it different, unnatural. Sometimes when we apply positive approach, we may see, okay, uniqueness also. But inside uniqueness, we are not finding out depth study, and this is being a serious problem in Nepal. Restricting AI is not an option since it would essentially take us behind the times. Therefore, the optimal option would be to cultivate a personal thinking as to when to use AI and when not to. Ethical dimensions are also there. Copyright laws should be there. Minimization of plagiarism. Also there is, okay, it is not to substitute traditional learning. It is merely a complementary tool to enhance the quality of output. It is not it is just supplementary, not replacing tool. AI system may reflect biases also, by there may be biasness. Somewhere I read out that there will be displacement of all devices like mobile, laptop, tab. When human beings keep something in mind, that would automatically happen by applying in some tools. That kind of devices are also developed. That somewhere I have read out. Yesterday I was reading that human life may also be, life age would also be expanded, linking with different scientific tool. We may live for a long time because of linkage with these devices. That has also been read out. So natural rule or creativity, all rules are also in question. Now, what should I say is, okay, if the lawyer relies on AI to find correct answer or appropriate solution, but if it is wrong, resulting in miscarriage of justice to client with potential imprisonment, like there may be harassment from court side to the lawyer. In Nepal also such instances have occurred for several times, and Bar Association used to play role of trade union. If AI is innocently relied, there is miscarriage of justice, there may be contempt case as well. And general guideline to use generative AI by IBE, Law Asia would be appropriate to address these issues. Currently there is guidelines on the use of generative AI in mediation only. In other dimensions should also, we must expect Law Asia's guideline. Then after, on the foundation of Law Asia guideline, we are expecting IBE. Actually, it was supposed to come in early. Lately, it has come. That is, thank you. Thank you very much for listening.